So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 on-the-go and travel items I think you need to know about and that you might want to consider incorporating into your travel kit or your travel collection, however you want to classify it. These items offer a lot of value and benefit as part of your travel kit. So if you don't already have any of the 10 items I'm going to share with you, again, it's probably good that you consider including them. Having a travel kit is just a really good way to have your standard basic general items that you know you can always go to when you're ready to travel. It doesn't matter if you're going across the country or international. These items will come in handy in a variety of ways, and I hope that by the end of this video you kind of get a sense of the value and benefit of each of these items. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, I'm going to kick things off with a product that is so beneficial and dear to me. I absolutely love this product. It's Cadence Capsules. Now, Cadence Capsules are customizable, magnetic, leak-proof, airtight, TSA compliant, BPA free capsules that can hold a variety of your travel items, especially when it comes to skincare, hair care, beauty, and even vitamins and jewelry. Yeah, Cadence Capsules can hold all of those variety of items and products. Now, Cadence Capsules can hold about, let's say, 3 to 7 days worth of products, depending on what you're using and the frequency and quantity you use. The capsules can hold about 4 to 6 rings. It can also hold, obviously, a certain number of chain and jewelry. And I also love that I can put vitamins in Cadence Capsules. Cadence Capsules allows me to build a honeycomb-like structure, as I like to call it. It's a very versatile travel item. And I love that each capsule is magnetic, so they magnetize to each other. So I don't have to worry about losing anything or things falling away. You can double up on capsules. So let's say you're going away for 2 weeks and you want shampoo for 2 weeks. You can actually create certain labels and then use 2 capsules instead of 1 to make sure that you have, let's say, 2 weeks worth of shampoo or conditioner or skincare products. You get what I'm trying to say. So I really love that it's customizable. Cadence Capsules come in either a set of 6 or you can build a set of 12. And I really think that because the capsules are multi-use, the return on the investment that you make to buy them is just so worth it. It is also aesthetically pleasing to look at when you're traveling and you want to really make sure that you're keeping your either bathroom or vanity area really neat. So I can't rave enough about Cadence Capsules. I absolutely love them. I will link where you can pick up your own Cadence Capsules in the description box below. If you're looking for something to work beyond the hand sanitizer, then I'd highly recommend that you consider adding antibacterial paper soap sheets. So they are tiny square little sheets that have soap in them. So when you take off a soap sheet, all you're going to want to do is get your hands wet. Then you activate the soap sheets underwater and boom, you have soap. This is a perfect item, obviously, for any type of travel, but I really think it's really genius for things like camping and hiking and just overall travel. So again, I've linked one that I would recommend down below. Of course, there's some things that you want to consider when you're thinking about a paper soap sheet. You want to make sure that it works with your body chemistry. You might want to be mindful of the scents. You might want to be mindful of how your hand reacts. I have really sensitive hands and they get dried really quickly. So I'm also going to be looking for soap sheets that have some sort of moisture property to them. But again, that's just some research that you'll have to do for yourself. And if for some reason you can't find one that offers an additional level of moisture in the soap sheet, just make sure you keep hand cream with you and just make sure you re-nourish your hands and your nails. All right, let's move on to the next item. You may not really see the benefit of this particular item, especially if you're someone that has braids or things like that. But I think having a microfiber hair towel is super important when you're traveling, especially if you're traveling anywhere that you're going to be doing a lot of water activities or going to the beach. You can just gather your hair up, twist it around, put it away, and at least give your hair some ability to dry. There are just so many benefits to making sure that you include one, even if you've never considered including it because you're like, whatever, I have braids. Honestly, when you're going to the beach or anywhere with water, everyone's looking cute and crazy at the same time. All right, let's move on to the next item. Okay, the next item on the list is one that I use on a daily basis, and I always make sure to include it in my travel kit. I'm talking about exfoliating hand shower gloves. I absolutely love these. I've talked about them in a previous video from a couple years back. I think they are really vital and beneficial for you to include in your travel kit. I like using exfoliating gloves because they help me to exfoliate my skin. There's just something that a washcloth just doesn't do for me. Sometimes I've experienced, depending on the type of soap that I'm using, it doesn't really interact well with a washcloth, and I don't always feel like I'm getting that squeaky clean or scrubby feeling that I really want on my body when I use a washcloth. So I've been using exfoliating hand gloves for years. They just work better for me. I feel like they interact better with soap. And again, they work to clean and exfoliate your body in the way that you need to. The other thing that I really love about exfoliating hand gloves is that they really have a low profile. They take up very little space in your travel luggage or travel kit. And you can wash them by hand. You can wash them in a washing machine to get them clean throughout your travel. So they're really great for that. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this item as well. It is an all-in-one razor. Like, genius, right? So this one is from AllinOne. So an all-in-one shaver includes a built-in spray bottle, razor, and soap bar. So you don't even have to think about it. And I think this is great for a shorter travel than an extended travel. I think if you're going to be traveling for quite a long time, and depending on how frequently you need to shave, this may work for you, but then again, it may not last, let's say maybe for a month travel. But again, it just depends on how frequently you shave. If you don't shave frequently in that month travel, then this is a great product. But I think the fact that you have a spray bottle, a shaver, and a soap bar built into one device is just genius. Again, it has a low footprint. It's going to take up hardly any space in your travel luggage because everything is nicely compact. If you're someone who needs just a little bit more moisture, you can add something like coconut oil or some sort of oil that you've probably included in your Cadence capsules. You can put a little bit of that oil into your water and have just a little bit more moisture and lubrication. So I think this is a really, really great item. It's made out of recyclable material, and I just cannot, again, rave enough about this one as well. You should include it as part of your kit if you haven't already. I will link one in the description box in case you're interested. The next couple of items on the list are going to be more tech related and, gadget related. So this particular item is one that most of you already know, probably have or used. But a lot of times I don't think the vast majority of us remember to include one of these as part of our general travel kit. And it's a universal travel adapter. I know you're probably like, I'll be like, what the heck? But honestly, I think including this as a general basic part of your travel kit means that you don't really have to think about, do I have an adapter? Once you've bought one of these and included it, you know you have it. And I think your universal travel adapter should include ports for the EU, the UK, of course, AUS, and the USA. So you want to make sure that it covers those regions. You also want to make sure that it has a built-in USB ports, a couple of those, in one compact system. There's nothing worse than having to find different, let's say, components to your universal travel adapter or losing one and thinking that you had it. When you have a compact system and one system that covers all of those different needs and all of those different regions and also offers you a USB ports, a couple of USB ports, then you're covered. You don't, again, have to think about it. So I've linked one down below that I think might be useful if you just never thought about one, or you don't own one, or you own one that has a couple of attachments that can be easily lost and you want to streamline that. I've linked one down for you below. I actually recently bought a couple of these for family members, and I remember buying it thinking, I don't really know if this is going to be a hit. Turned out to be a hit, and honestly, my siblings actually really love it and use it. And I'm talking about a portable charger or a portable battery bank. It just depends on how you classify it. But a portable charger is so important to have as part of your travel kit because there's nothing worse than trying to find a spot in the airport that has a little plug for you to charge up your phone, and it's just littered with people. It's just not free, right? I really like portable chargers to be functional, to feel sleek, to feel seamless. And I like the ones from CalPack because they're just that. They are portable chargers that double as luggage tags. Now, of course, if you're checking in your luggage, you don't want to keep your portable charger on there. You want to take off your portable charger and either attach them to your carry-on or to your handbag or crossbody. You get what I'm trying to say. But if you're interested in the CalPack, I did list that down below. So I really like the next item on the list because I think the benefit that it brings to your travel kit or as part of your travel kit is that it really offers you a certain level of confidence and sort of transparency when you're traveling. I know you're like, what is this thing you're talking about? I'm talking about the Apple AirTags. Now, if you're an iPhone user, you probably have heard about this and you may already even own one or a couple. But the thing that I like about the Apple AirTags is that you can put this in your luggage, whether it's checked or not, and have the ability to track your luggage throughout your entire journey. And I think this is really beneficial and valuable because who does not want to be able to track their luggage, especially with today's travel environment and climate where the airports are a little bit crazy, people's flights are delayed, baggages may be getting misplaced. Now, I don't wish that on anyone. I hope all of you who are going to be traveling or are currently traveling, I wish you good travel fortune. The Apple AirTags battery life lasts about a year, right? So you don't have to be worried about that. In a couple of days, it's going to die or lose power. You will be able to still track your luggage for quite some time. There's nothing worse than losing luggage. So I just think the Apple AirTag is really beneficial for your luggage while you're traveling. I also think you can throw one of these in a handbag and slide it in a wallet. And if for some reason you lose either one of those during your travel, at least you'll have that information for quite some time before, let's say, whoever the thief is even notices that you have one of those in there and maybe dismantles it. I'm not trying to promote a doom and gloom scenario here, but what I am trying to do is shed light on the benefit of some of these products. So I will link that down below in case you're interested as well. Okay, so let's say you've landed, you made it to your destination, you're getting ready to head out to the beach or somewhere that's warm and sunny. Well, this next item by G2 Life is perfect for that. It is a portable mini handheld fan. And one of the things I really love about this particular item is that it has a couple of features built in. You can have a portable mini fan that also doubles as a battery bank, gives you a flashlight, and also cools you down. I mean, it's kind of like a no-brainer, right? I absolutely love this particular fan. Now, J2 Life has other types of fans that you can look at if you're interested in just a different type. And I'm all about sleekness, streamlining, cohesiveness, like everything just being multifunctioning in one device is kind of a no-brainer. So I'll make sure to link this down in the description box below as well, in case you're interested in including it as part of your travel kit. Okay, so the final item on the list is one that I absolutely love. I use it on a daily basis. It comes with me to work. It comes with me when I'm going on errands. It's coming with me when I'm traveling. And what I'm talking about is a portable flat water bottle. And I particularly love this one from Mochik. I've talked about it before. I've done a reel about it. Folks ask me about it when I go out with it. It has its own little fan base. But the Mochik flat water bottle is so great. This water bottle is durable, is BPA free. It is flat and it fits into most standard size purses. It also comes with a little wristlet so you can slip your hand in there and just carry that water bottle with you wherever you're going. And I just really love how slim and sleek this water bottle is. And I love that it's durable. So if you're looking for a compact, sleek and slim water bottle to travel with, I'd highly recommend this flat water bottle by Mochik. I'll make sure to link it down below. I picked mine up from Amazon. And again, I just think it's a great item to include in your travel kit as well. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you found these products and items useful. Let me know which item on the list you didn't think about including in your travel kit, but now plan to. And then if you have any items that I did not cover that you think should be part of a travel kit, make sure you drop that down for me in the comment box below. Let's get that dialogue going. So if you found this video beneficial and useful, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, please comment down below. I really love to hear from you all and get a dialogue going. And of course, I will link all the items that are linkable in the description box below. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Give this video a thumbs up and hit your notification bell so they're up to date when I post new videos. And when you hit your notification bell, make sure you're selecting all so you never miss a new video when I post them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.